Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your monthly reading, a general reading for the month of October. So let's see what is going on in your life. This is going to cover your career, your love life, your general day-to-day life, and the good news is that I am going to start posting weekly exclusive love readings, okay? Because a lot of you have requested me that you want to know more about your love life. So instead of monthly reading, I'm going to start with weekly love readings as well. Okay, this is going to be monthly, a general reading. If you want to know a weekly love tarot and your what is happening in your love life exclusively, then please do subscribe to my channel so that you get to know the notification of when your video particularly has been uploaded. And if your sun, moon or rising any sign is Aries, then this reading is for you. This is going to be in English. If you are interested in Hindi and Urdu, that's going to be a separate video. So let's begin. Okay. I also see a sort of proposal happening. So either you are proposing someone or somebody is going to propose to you. We will clarify more. Let me take out a few more cards. Let me shuffle once more. All right. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. So let us see what is happening in your life. A lot is happening in your love life, as I can see. Your focus is mostly on your love life in the month of October rather than your career. But yes, an overall success is coming your way. Overall happiness is coming your way, right? Let's start. I know you cannot see the spread, so I'm going to show it to you one by one. Your first week has a six of moons and the hangman. So see, the hangman clearly states that somebody in the past have hurt you a lot. Okay, so you guys broke up and somebody hurt you, and you're still sort of stuck in that past feeling. You still sort of hurt that that person left you, that person blocked you, that person hurt you, cheated on you, and that's why you are all over the place. That's why you don't want to commit right now. That's why you don't want to start another serious relationship right now, because you're somewhat scared. Okay, it could be that because you're still stuck on that ex, maybe you're expecting them to come back in your life, or you're scared. You're scared of commitment, that what if I trust the person again and that person uh, stabs me in the back again or cheats on me again. So I do see that kind of blockages in your love life, that you are very concerned about the past. So I do see that uh, sadness is sort of there, betrayal is there. The hangman is asking you to accept what happened, because you had a karmic relationship with this person, the person who betrayed you, betrayed your trust. You had a karmic relationship with this person. This was supposed to happen. That means it was like a prophecy. It was your destiny. So it could be that in the past you hurt that person and now they've come back in this life to take their revenge, right? So now that is over. Changes are happening in your life. Your life was good, then it went bad, and now it will be good again, is what the cards are telling you. So they are asking you to move forward, because you will be reborn again. I see rebirth again, right? So you could be coming out of that negative place of the past and stepping into a brighter future. Now you will be coming back stronger and wiser. You will not ignore the red flags this time if you see one. So that is what is happening. Let's clarify more with Nostradamus why the six of moons is here. Six of Moons, please, for Aries. Yes. So I do see that you are still looking backwards, right? It could be, I do feel that this person did betray you, but you sort of still want them back, right? It could be that this person is now coming back into your life and they want to give a new start. So what is going to happen then? That you remember everything. You remember that this person has hurt you really badly, right? You remember that this person has betrayed you. So what is going to happen when this person approaches you again and X comes back again? Ancient quarrels will come up again. That means whatever those fights were that did not happen for a long time because of no contact, no communication, that are going to start up again. I do see someone coming back into your life with a proposal. I do see it could be an ex, somebody who betrayed you and broke your trust in the past. That is what is happening in the first week. Second week again says initiate and temperance card. Definitely somebody from your past is coming back, or either you are going back to them. So take what resonates with you. I don't know what's exactly happening with you. I can only tell you that either they are coming back from the past or you are approaching somebody from the past. But it does feel like that, or it could be that somebody from your ex, somebody from your past is approaching, an ex is approaching, but you do not want to give them a chance. Why? Because you still remember the hurt and the betrayal. Instead, you want to start a new life by proposing to someone else. It could be that as well. So take what resonates with you. I do see that you want balance and peace in your life, which this person was not giving you, right? And you do feel that there's somebody around you uh, who could give you that kind of balance, who could give you that kind of peace. Or if you want, it could be that you also want to patch up with this person. Of course, there will be fights, of course, there will be arguments, but I think it could be for some of you, not all of you, that you will be having a reconciliation right now. You will be patching up with an old love of yours. I do see that there's a mingling of past and future, which means definitely reconciliation, or definitely somebody like an ex coming back with a proposal, with an apology, could be, right? Third week, we have the Three of Moons and the Sun card. Yes. So I am getting multiple messages for you, Aries. So take what resonates with you. I'm first getting that you're going to start a beautiful beginning in love. Okay, it could be with a patch up, a reconciliation with an ex of yours, or it could be a new relationship that could be begin for some of you. So now it's up to you whether you want to take that back, take that ex back of yours, or you want to start a relationship with a new person, right? So I do see if you patch up, or when you start a relationship, whatever is happening in your life right now, I do see that you will find a lot of happiness. I do see this thing materializing into marriage. I do see you getting a proposal for marriage or engagement happening around this time. Or if you guys are married and are starting to um, wanting to start a new family, it could be that you would be getting pregnant as well. So I do see a lot of good news coming and a lot of celebrations happening. So yes, if you are either you're starting a new relationship, new person, or you are reconciliation, there's a reconciliation with a ex of yours, and whatever is happening in your life, I do see that this relationship is going to bring you a lot of happiness. Let's get to the last week. We have the Two of Stars and the Lover's card. To all those who are having a reconciliation, let me remind you again. See, once a cheater, always a cheater. So if someone betrayed you in the past, someone broke your trust in the past, they are going to lie to you again. Once a liar, always a liar. Once a cheater, always a cheater. So I do see a lot of arguments in you, right? So it could be a Libra that you're dealing with. That is the sign that I'm getting. Could be not. But I'm definitely getting that there will be arguments as well. There will be constant, it feels to me like both of you are very much the same headstrong people, right? And it could be when you get back with an ex, the balance is disrupted, right? Why? Because we need a yin and a yang energy, means opposite energy, so that is balanced and we are on the same level. But when two people are together, there is only yin and yin, or only yang and yang, then the energies are not really matching. So I do see that to all those people who are getting back with an ex, might find trouble later. Maybe a week or two will go really hunky and dory, really happy, but eventually you will find the same flaws. If that person cheated on you, then again they will be cheated on you. You see the lover sign? This is also kind of a sign of third party. That means there was a third party before, there will be a third party again, or maybe that third party hasn't gone from their life completely. They just lied to you again. They just made up a story again, and it is still there. Or if that's you, in your case, you very well know that the third party is still there. So I can see that there will be troubles again. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus on the Two of Stars. Yeah. See, it's reconciling, right? So you will be reconciling with an ex in the month of October and you will be finding troubles again. Some of you. It could also be that uh, maybe that you have gone everywhere else and you haven't found the same kind of peace that this particular person brings you. Now I'm telling you a different situation that I clarified with Nostradamus. So it could be when you people are together, you find balance with this person. It could be, but it's mostly occurring to me as a card of seeking balance, right? So when you people have come together, you could be working very hard on your relationship after reconciling. There's a constant need of balance. So you still are in that zone where you're still working things out, still seeking balance in your relationship. I do see that. There is, of course, a reunion happening, a union happening, marriage is happening, and I also see third party situation as well. So take what resonates with you. If your intuition tells you something, then please listen to your intuition and do not make the same mistake again. If you do see that, yes, I really want to reconcile with this person because I have been everywhere, I have tried to search everywhere for good people, but I have not been able to find someone like them, then please go ahead and reconcile with the ex of yours. If there's a new person that you want to propose, then this is your sign, this is your signal that yes, if you propose to them, if you move forward with them, there will be happiness, there will be celebration, and there will be balance in your life. Beware of third party, because for some of you, not all of you, I do see third party in your relationships or marriage. That means extramarital affair or your partner cheating on you. So be wary of that. If this is someone who stabbed you in the past, I would say that think very carefully before going back to that person or taking that person back, right? Aries, it's a very, a lot is happening in the month of October for you. So good luck for that. Yes, I do see that proposals and happiness is there, marriage is there, I do see engagement is there, I do see reconciliation, I do see different messages for different Aries out there. So good luck to that. Yes, your focus is definitely not on work in the month of October, and this was your general reading. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you resonated with it, and please do comment and let me know. All right, so take care and bye bye.